Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2009 Mazda 6, stock number 7098. It's ran from the 2nd 2008 to the 11th 2012. It's an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear boot lid 1 dent. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shift. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-deck stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.